This is Alex. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some results of this account. This is a $200,000 funded Forex automation account, fully automated, producing about 1% up to 2% monthly gains. So we're gonna go ahead and do August 1st to the 31st. And what they're gonna do, what they did actually for that month is $3,195. That this is with a $200,000 account, funded account. Like I said, doing 1% up to 2%. Now let's go for September the 1st to the 30th. As you see, they made that month $2,664.45. And what they did for October 1st to October 31st, $1,189.30. So it varies from 1% up to 2% monthly gains, keeping conservative, and that is all on a monthly basis. So if you want to know more, just go ahead and in the description there is a website. You could go ahead and book a call, and that way we could go ahead and explain to you how you could get into our Forex, our funded Forex automation program. We have different accounts. We have our minimum accounts are 200,000, 300,000, 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, up to $4 million funded accounts. So book a call. Just go to our website. It's in the description at the bottom.